Government and social control. Objectives. In brief, meaning of government, definition of government, to study functions of government, to list types of political system, to identify origin of government, to explain types of government, to learn modern context, to clarify government and health. In brief, each society must have a political system in order to maintain recognized procedures for allocating valued resources. In large complex societies, many decisions must be made about the duties and responsibilities of citizens and also about the rights and privileges. Political system is a system of politics and government. It is usually compared to the legal system, economic system, cultural system, and other social systems. If the society is to be orderly, people must obey the rules that are made. The political institutions determines and enforces the laws and punishes those who disobey them. What is meant by government? Government generally refers to administration with authority. State is the politically organized society. Can you define government? A human community is that successfully claims the monopoly of the legitimate use of physical force within a given territory. Max Weber. What are the functions of government? First function is the agent of social control. Second, maintain social order. 3, power over the behavior of society. 4, molds the character. 5, develops the personality in an conservative manner. 6, impose moral and ethical values. 7, to maintain integration of society by determining norms. 8, to adopt and change elements of social, economic, religious systems necessary for achieving collective or political goals. 9, to protect the integrity of the political system from outside threats. 10, input functions. Political socialization, interest articulation, interest aggregation, and political communication. 11. Output functions: rule making, rule application, and rule adjudication. What are the types of political systems? First type, totalitarian system. A system in which the state controls and regulates all phases of life considered essential for perpetuating its power and for carrying out programs arbitrarily. It is the most extreme form of authoritarianism. Second type, democratic system. In its broadest sense, democracy is a way of life in which an individual feels free to act within accepted boundaries of norms and also equal in respects of his or her rights. Origin of government. First, ancient society. King authority reflected the government of heaven. Second, form of government structured by strong persons. Three, social contract theory. According to this theory, government created by means of agreement between social institutions, including contract between family system, economic system, educational system, and political system. 4. According to R.M. Messiver, discovered the origin of government in the family. Family is a micro government. 5. The force theory. The state was born of force, based upon the idea that one person or group claimed control over an area and forced everyone within that area to submit to their rule. 6. The divine right theory, very popular throughout the 15th, 18th centuries. God created the state or government and chose individuals to be given a royal birth, and therefore the divine right to rule. Types of government. One, democracy, polity. 2, republic. 3, monarchy, administered by an individual called king. 4, aristocracy, managed by higher sections of the community. 5, dictatorship. 6. Democratic republic. Detail going on. Detail going on. First, democracy. The word democracy literally means rule by the people. In a democracy, the people govern. 2. Republic. Literal democracy is impossible in a political system containing more than few people. All democracies are really republics. In a republic, the people elect representatives to make and enforce laws. 3. Monarchy. A monarchy consists of rule by a king or queen. Sometimes a king is called an emperor, especially if there is a large empire such as China before 1911. There are no large monarchies today. The United Kingdom, which was a queen, is really a republic because the queen has virtually no political power. 4. Aristocracy. An aristocracy is ruled by the aristocrats. Aristocrats are typically wealthy, educated people. Many monarchs have really been ruled by aristocrats. 5. Dictatorship. A dictatorship consists of rule by one person or a group of people. Very few dictators admit they are dictators. They almost always claim to be leaders of democracies. 6. Democratic republic. Usually a democratic republic is not democratic and is not a republic. A government that officially calls itself a democratic republic. Modern context. 1. Democracy, capitalism. 2. Communism. 3. Socialism. First, detail about capitalism. In common usage, the word capitalism means an economic system in which all or most of the means of production are privately owned and operated, and the investment of capital and the production, distribution and prices of commodities, goods and services are determined mainly in a free market rather than by the state. Second, communism. Most generally, communism refers to community ownership of property, with the end goal being complete social equality via economic equality. Communism is generally seen by communist countries as an idealized, perfect economic and social state. 3. Socialism. Most generally, socialism refers to state ownership of common property or state ownership of the means of production. A purely socialist state would be one in which the state owns and operates the means of production. However, nearly all modern capitalist countries combine socialism and capitalism. Look at this picture. Is socialism, capitalism, communism. Government and health. First, national health policies formulated by government. Second, government health scheme. Major schemes and programs control health status of people in a country. 3 national health programs, including women health program, child health program, is systematically organized to control health status of people in a nation. 4. Medical education and training controlled by the government by means of legislations. Example, Indian Nursing Council Act, Medical Council Act control the education and training in a country. 5. Prevention of food adulteration. Prevent adulteration, provide safe food and promote health. 6. International cooperation. The government cooperate with international health organization such as WHO and control health issues. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.